This crustless quiche is high protein, it's made with cottage cheese, you don't even know what's in there, and it's so good. Hi, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel I share all the kitchen skills that moms just know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. We could mix the eggs and everything else in the bowl, but personally, I don't like the cottage cheese curds in my quiche. I like it nice and smooth. So I'm going to use my blender to blend the cottage cheese and add all the eggs in there. I'm gonna put the lid on and blend it for 15 to 20 seconds until it's nice and smooth. I'm gonna pour this in my bowl so you can see what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna add some pepper, some salt. I'm adding some diced ham, cheese, and I chopped up some green onions, so I'm gonna add those in there. You could also use shallots or no onions. And then I just mix these up. One quick tip is to put your baking dish on top of a sheet pan. It makes it super easy to transport to the oven. You're gonna want to spray or grease your baking dish. And this is the same that you'd use to make pie. This also works on a square one, by the way. Now I'm gonna pour that cottage cheese and egg with all my add-ins right into the dish. If you feel like everything fell in the middle, you can take a spoon and distribute the toppings around. This way, when you slice it, everyone has a little bit of everything. And we're gonna transfer this to our preheated oven where it's gonna bake in there for 30 to 35 minutes. If after 30 minutes of baking, the tops are looking golden, but the middles are still wobbly and wet, grab some foil, place it right over the top, and give your quiche another 5 to 7 minutes. And just like that, our quiche is ready. Now, I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. This helps release the quiche from the sides to where it makes it really easy to slice and lift off. All the ingredient measurements to make this high protein breakfast quiche with cottage cheese are gonna be right below this video. See you next time.